Do you know whose birthday is observed as Equality Day? Babu Jagjeevan Ramji. Namaste. So, let me brief you about this incredible personality. Jagjeevan Ram was born in a small village, Chandwa in Bihar, on 5th April 1908. He was popularly known as Babuji, was a national leader, freedom fighter, crusader of social justice, a champion of depressed classes, an outstanding parliamentarian, a true democrat, a distinguished union minister, an able administrator, and exceptionally gifted orator. He had a towering personality and played a long inning, spanning over half a century in Indian politics with commitment, dedication, and devotion.
Jagjeevan Ramji imbibed his idealism, humanitarian values, and resilience from his father. Under his mother's guidance, Jagjeevan Ram passed his matriculation in first division from Arha Town School. Despite facing the caste-based discrimination, he was among the first of his caste to receive higher education in inter-science from the Banaras Hindu University and later graduated from Calcutta University.
Jagjeevan Ram symbolized the dawn of a new era of assertion, equalization and empowerment for depressed classes. He founded the Akhil Bharatiya Ravidas Mahasabha in Calcutta in 1934 and also All the India Depressed Classes League. Through these organizations, he involved the depressed classes in the freedom struggle. On 19 October 1935, Babuji appeared before the Hammond Commission at Ranchi and demanded for the first time voting rights for the Dalits. Inspired by Gandhiji, Babuji entrenched himself deeply into the civil disobedience movement, Satyagraha and Quit India movement. He had a long and distinguished political career. In 1937, he was appointed as a parliamentary secretary in the Ministry of Education and Development. In 1946-47, he became the youngest minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's provisional government and in the country's national government.
Till his last breath, he was a sitting member of the Lok Sabha. Babuji has had the distinction of being the longest serving minister in the government of India. Babuji's contribution to the nation building has left an indelible mark. He held a number of other ministries, to name a few: railways, transportation and communication, food and agriculture, defense, etc. He was a cabinet minister in the Janata Party government headed by Morarji Desai. He became the Deputy Prime Minister of India and held the defense portfolio.
As Labour Minister, he introduced time-tested policies and laws for labour welfare. Some of the landmark legislations for labour are the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, the Minimum Wages Act 1948, the Payment Bonus Act 1965. He laid the foundation of social security by way of enacting two important acts, namely the Employees State Insurance Act 1948 and the Provident Fund Act 1952. It is worth recalling that during his tenure as Railway Minister, Brahmaputra Bridge was built, which is a unique example of engineering excellence and Babuji's far-sightedness.
Babu Jagjeevan Ram's inspiring leadership as Defence Minister galvanized the entire nation and the armed forces. The historic and decisive victory of 1971 bears testimony to the confidence, patience and immense courage of Babuji. It was also during his tenure as Defence Minister that India entered into the Indo-Soviet Treaty of Peace, Friendship and Cooperation. Babuji played an active role in formulating the state intervention for the advancement of socially backward classes by reservation in public employment and reservation of seats in legislatures. He was instrumental in making the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955. For his unwavering support and relentless struggle for the cause of downtrodden, he has been rightly called the Masiha of Dalits.
Babuji, as a national leader, shared his political career with many generations, from Mahatma Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi, has left behind the message of equality, breathed his last on 6 July 1986 at New Delhi. He has left the legacy of a sincere and dedicated political leader, a committed public servant, a social reformist, a revolutionary and true humanist.